Hello guys and welcome back to Technical Faizan, and today I'm going to show you a very useful tool called Replit. Now Replit is used for programming, like if you don't want to install any IDE which is basically like PyCharm or Visual Studio. If you don't want to install any of those tools, you can code within your browser without installing anything. So I'm going to show you this. Just type repl.it, and even I'm making an account for the first time, but I know how this works, so I'm gonna show you guys. So you just click on start coding after you come to this site, and then you put any of your username which you want to. I'm just going to put Faizan, and seems like this is already taken, so you can I'm just going to take my Faizan underscore. Okay, I have a name, Faizan. Okay, that is good. And then I'm going to keep my email, and then password, and then I'm going to click on create an account. Now what this will do is it will create an account, and then you have to verify. uh, we have to click on images containing train. Okay, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I think that's it. And then we have to this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. I think that's not a train. Okay, verify. Yes. And now that we have created an account, we can just cross this out, and then here is where you can code. Now click on create new REPL, and then here you can choose any programming languages. There's um, a ton of programming languages to choose from. I'm going to choose Python because that's the one I'm very familiar with. And then here we can choose a title, a name for our project. I'm just going to call it test. And then here we can check this if you want to, because when you check this, the file will become public, which means you can share it to anyone in this replit. So which we don't want. This is just for us, we are making a private file. Okay, so now that you have chosen your language and the title, we can create REPL. We can click on it and it will start. And here is the code editor, as it is saying. And then here is the run code button. When you write your code and run it, it will run it in this console. And then you have your program output, which is the console, and then the file tree and side panels. Here there are your files, whatever you added, and there are a couple few options. And then there is invite and collaborate, like it's like if you are sharing this file, if you want to um, do this Python with other people, you can invite other people, and you can code with them. So click on done, and then here I'm going to show you that this works. So we can write some basic program basic code like print, then we give brackets, okay, and then we can run our code, and there's a key binding here, control enter, so you can do that. And as you can see, in the console we can see hello world, which we print, so that is pretty useful. And you can write some advanced code and code in this without downloading any PyCharm or any IDE. And I'm going to show you all these options in a moment. uh, and so here is your menu where you can go to home, apps, templates, my repls, meaning your files, and then talk, learn, teams, and curriculum, and all that stuff. And then you have your account and the programming language you are coding in and the title which you gave. And this is your REPL history, in which when you go, uh, I don't know what this does, but yeah. And then this is the run button, and then invite, and then search and run commands. And then these options, this is version control. I think this is the version of the REPL. And then this is the debugger, and then the packages, meaning the packages which you install, like uh, you can search for any packages. It's the UI is very similar to Visual Studio here. So you can see I have it open already. So yeah, and then this is the secrets. I don't know what this does. And then settings, you can choose the font size. If I keep it to tiny, it's very tiny. I'm just going to keep on normal. And then spaces, indent type, if you keep it to tabs. I don't know what this does either. Then yeah, these are all the settings you can do here. So yeah, and this is the database where these are all the REPL's own commands for Python. And then this is unit tests, and this is the help and shortcuts. Yeah, so that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and please subscribe, like, and share to this video, and subscribe to this channel. So I'll see you in the next video.